Today we're learning backwards runs, and these particularly ice dance steps make appearance in many ice dances for both ladies and men. And due to the close passing of the feet, these steps can cause some anxiety when we're first learning them. And many of my adult learners say, but you learned as a child and how can you understand how I feel about this? Well, insert the story of learning to ski as an adult, who's an ice dancer with perfectionist tendencies, was not a barrel of laughs, so I can relate. So when approaching teaching a skill like this, I like to put myself in your shoes, break the skill down into shapes, and progress as each student feels ready.
Starting with a proprioceptive exercise. We're going to lemon or swizzle for our American friends, crossing and uncrossing the feet, keeping them both on the ice. This exercise helps us both physically and mentally map out the pathway of the feet. And now backwards. Following the same swizzle or lemon and then alternating the crossing of the feet. Remember, these straight line exercises also work well near the wall to help you build confidence gradually. Still two-footed but increasing specificity, we can take a stroke and slide back into single file with the feet, which can be seen a little bit easier when we skate it here on the curve. Bend and stroke, rise and slide back into single file. Let's see that close up. Bend and stroke, rise, slide back into single file. Whether you have a regular skating blade or specialist ice dance equipment, these exercises will help you to learn those very important toe and heel boundaries.